Hi students, so today I'm going to show you how to place location pins and link your videos for the capstone experience. So let's just get going with this. It's very straightforward. My overall recommendation is not to actually do this until you have all of your videos ready to load and a link in a video tour, which we'll be showing you later on. Just because you're going to have to keep on updating your KMZ file, and this takes no time at all. Anyway, but let me show you now. If you want to keep doing this now, you can. So let's say your first place-based description is Bermuda, my favorite place. Not that I've ever been there. I'm going to enter Bermuda. Here we go. All right, and so now let me link a pin. I'm just going to click on this guy, add a pinpoint. I'm going to call it Bermuda. Maybe you want to call it Module 2. You can do what you like there, so long as it's clear. And then you are just basically going to add your link to here, and the URL from your Screencast-O-Matic video is best done through YouTube. If you want to make a YouTube channel, that is a whole other exercise there. So let's just go www.newyorktimes.com. All right, and then you would just go OK, and then what it would do is it would link it. Let me just go without doing that for now. It would link it. It would link it with a little picture of the video in here, like my announcements. So the other thing you can do is you can change the style and color of your markers. You can put different colors in. You can choose a magenta one, for example. The label is magenta, which would say Bermuda Module 2. The icon would be, let's say, orange. And then you can have different sizes. Let's go to size 4. Just go okay there. I want to do this, excuse me, red. Okay. And then we're going to go to size 4, 5, make it really big for both. Okay, and then we go okay. Bingo, there it is, Bermuda in all its glory. All right, so that's it. Again, I recommend you don't do this till you are ready to load all of them and do the tour, and I'll be providing you more information on that later on. So for now, I would be spending my time reading the materials and writing your 200 to 400 word script, as well as potentially taping it in Screencast. All right, so that's it for now, and we'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.